Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, we will discuss the issue of the rise of technology decrease creativity. I will invite the government CAM to confirm its motion. So the government can speak up.
Thank you for moderator. My name is Jessica Bruginting, 01-19-10-10. Here I am as argument 1, the team government. Mention the rise of technology, the raises gravity. Definisi, the government agree that the impact of the rise of technology decrease gravity. One assertion, because with the rise of technology, one of the big impact is to make people lazy because digital process is instant and vertical, so that it can negative impact and reasoning the lazy in fact from technology at first that make everything instant and vertical without realizing is this can change the vision and mission system for what is actually the purpose of the rise of technology. Of course, this is engineering the detrimental and becomes a new problem. And evident, you can see from the rise of technology that it has a lazy impact on the is and vertical of this technology and first. For example, the current gadget advancements make us even more lazy, forced, and stupid to think creatively again because of wrong us. Another example is online business from the application of technology advance. With currently have many cases of online business fraud that make all run away from the goal of using technology. And the last link back, the rest of technology is integrated through to decrease gravity, one of which in the negative impact that legacy of from the true purpose of the emergency of this technology. For example, the handling of criminal of this technology is still lacking and still minimal handling. Of course, this decrease gravity in the rest of technology because of the fear of competition is this digital world. Thank you.
Okay, the opposite can speak for the opposite. Please tell us your argument.
Okay, sorry for the problem. I will give my scientific study. Proponents of using technology argue that technology can make children have better motor skill, improve cognitive ability, keep children busy, fun for children, and technology is everyone can use. And my argument for the government speaker was first speaker. However, simple sharing common interests and with people, technology does not necessarily have a positive impact on social skill and social development. Number one is gaming and social development. Gaming is an instance where you may encounter potential serious social feedback. I lead a group of for the example, gaming is an instance where you may encounter potential serious social feedback. I lead a group of boys squad of who share a love of certain online virtual board game. This game seems to be all they talk about. When given other opportunity for deep, respectful, meaningful conversation, uh, for example, number two, television and social development. It is apparent that technology has the potential to harm or enhance and change your social skill and social life. The key is to analyze how technology affect your social to do technology help you build positive, meaningful relationship, or do technology hinder this process? Okay, thank you.
Okay, so for the government, maybe you can tell us or rebuttal the argument.
Okay, I agree with that statement, but it wouldn't be better if the impact of the rise of this technology is paid more attention so that is proportional to the actual expected goals, such as ensuring that if there is a negative impact from technology development, it will be handled more through discussions. For example, to find a solution to this problem. The rise of technology has an impact on changing one's behavior for the worse. From this change in behavior arises the intense competition from the rise of technology. For example, the emergence of crimes of mutual deception and feelings of selfishness for the sake of mutually satisfying oneself. For example, we can see from a wrong use of gadgets. Many people use gadgets for a crime for the sake of money. Even opening a fake business on gadget is ordered to cheat to get a lot of money. So that fear arises to compete in this digital world. Looking back, here it can be seen that from the rise of technology can change one's behavior, for example, such as crimes that exist in technological developments for the sake of one's own satisfaction without thinking about anything else. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for a government. So the oversight team can speak.
Ya, I am Wanda Dwianggrani 1377 as speaker 2 from group 2 would like to give that argument. I don't agree with your opinion because I think the development of technology will also be more developed.
Okay, thank you for your argument. So that's all. We can close our discussion. So for our argument, for the last can get in this discuss, the conclusion that can be drawn from the argument that has been present in that the use of technology can have a positive or negative impact depending on the way we use it. So that's all we can close our discussion on this topic. If there is error, please forgive me. I'm Muhammad Aliansyah, NIM 04181049 and a team. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Backtracking on these few years, trying to figure out what I do to make it go bad. 'Cause ever since my girl